The Barista Championship is an opportunity for 50 of the nation's best baristas to come and compete to be the United States Barista Champion. In 15 minutes, these baristas serve 4 espressos, 4 cappuccinos, and 4 signature beverages to a panel of 7 judges who evaluate them on the taste of their beverages, their professionalism, their technical abilities, and other various criteria.
I am the 2012 United States Barista Champion, and I'm competing for the 3rd time in the National Championship. Well, it definitely takes practice and it takes dedication. It's sort of just like being a great chef or being a great mixologist. You have to love the products that you're working with and really want to serve people something great, and you have to experiment with them in order to understand what makes something good and what makes something not so good.
The sensory judges are the ones who actually taste the coffee, and they're trained how to look for certain taste attributes in the coffee and other criteria that we look for: visual appearance of the drinks, the overall professionalism of the barista, and how they talk about their coffee. And then the technical judges evaluate the barista in how they make the coffee specifically. Do they waste coffee? Do they use the same motions and the same methods every time that they prepare their espresso?
It is, I don't know if it's a lot of pressure. It is very nerve-wracking. I will say, at least for me, and I think for a lot of barista competitors, as soon as you get on the stage and you start the time, everything is fine.
I think great coffee is something that when you taste it, it's kind of like drinking a really fine wine or a fine malted scotch. You drink it and you notice really intricate nuance, and it's something that can be a compelling experience for 20 minutes rather than just, a medicinal, I need caffeine kind of experience.